Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel. So big news just dropped. And this could be one of the most important updates for NexaFax so far. The listing on OKX has officially been confirmed. Yes, you heard that right. OKX, one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. So now, here's something crucial you need to understand. Due to contractual reasons, the official announcement on OKX social media will only be published after the token launch. So don't expect to see it immediately, but the confirmation is already there. It's not just that the NexaFax is gaining massive attention globally. There are already multiple articles about NexaFax on some of the biggest crypto platforms in the world, including BitNoticias, Binance, Gate, and others. This kind of exposure is not normal for early stage projects. It shows serious momentum building. So let's take a look at the official website. So right now, NexaFax has already raised over $15 million. And that's the number is still growing. And here's where it gets urgent. There are less than 10 days left to finish phase 2. To give you some perspective, phase 1 completely sold out in just 5 days. That's kind of demand is extremely rare, especially in this market. So now we're in phase 2. At the current price, investors are positioned for an instant 2 times at launch. So based on the confirmed listing price. So let's break down with a simple example. If someone invests at 10,000 in phase 2, at launch that doubles 10,000 is equivalent to 20,000 USD. And if the token performs well after the launch, let's say it reaches about 10 times, that becomes 20,000 times 10 is equivalent to 200,000 USD. So that's the kind of upside people are watching closely. And also, there are more. The pre-listing on MEXC has already been confirmed. This means exposure is expanding even before the official launch. So now let's talk about how this actually works. So NexaFax uses a liquidity pool model, meaning you can buy tokens using BNB. And here's the key advantage. As soon as the token launch, it already starts generating returns. And also, your tokens are not locked. You are completely free to sell anytime you want. So let me give you a quick example. If you buy with 1 BNB, you can receive approximately 50,000 NexaFax tokens depending on the current rate. Simple, fast, and fully decentralized. OKX listing confirmed massive global media exposure, over $15 million already raised. Phase 1 sold out in 5 days. Less than 10 days left in phase 2. 2 times at launch potential. MEXC pre-listing confirmed, and a flexible no-lock liquidity system. If you're watching this right now, you're still early but not for long. So make sure to do your own research, check the official links, and stay updated because this is moving fast.